Hey everybody, this is Scott with another day in the life, and I just wanted to share with you today. I got something in the mail yesterday, and I wanted to kind of unbox it for you and let you see it. I got another mystery tackle box, so what I'm going to do is flip this around and let you take a look at what we got here. Alright, so we'll take an opener up and see what all come in it. Now, granted, what I've got is the panfish and trout excuse me, mystery box. And what it is of course it got the little book that comes with it, fishing tips and tricks, but then it's a little spinner for trout, and then got these I'm going to assume they're like little fish egg type plastics, and some little bug plastics. Oh, and then got this one, Dual Max, or Dynamic, I mean. Then we got some Eagle Claw laser sharp hooks, and then a sticker. Nice sticker. That's what we got so far. So one last look at everything that come in the box. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Excuse me. I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.